Tired of struggling with your diet while trying to get fit? You're not alone. It's a bloody nightmare out there with all these fad diets promising you the world. But listen up, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or complicated. Today I'm going to show you 5 delicious and simple meal ideas that will fuel your body and help you crush your fitness goals. Stick around to the end because I'll share a bonus tip to make meal prep even easier and more enjoyable. All right, you want to start your day, right? Let's talk about a breakfast that not only tastes amazing, but also fuels your body with the nutrients it needs. We're talking about a breakfast that'll kickstart your metabolism and set you up for success. Imagine a meal that keeps you full, energized, and ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. None of that sugary cereal rubbish. Those cereals might taste good for a moment, but they leave you crashing before lunchtime. We're having a protein-packed breakfast bowl. This bowl is packed with everything you need to start your day on the right foot. First, grab yourself some Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and probiotics, which are great for your gut health. Yes, the thick, creamy stuff, none of that low-fat nonsense. The full-fat version is more satisfying and keeps you fuller for longer. This is going to give you a protein boost to power through your morning. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it helps keep your hunger at bay. Next, we need some fruit for flavor and antioxidants. Fresh fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. I'm going for a handful of mixed berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, whatever you fancy. These berries are not only delicious, but also loaded with antioxidants that help fight inflammation. Just make sure they're fresh, not some soggy, frozen mess. Fresh berries have a better texture and flavor, making your breakfast bowl even more enjoyable. Now, for a bit of crunch and fiber, sprinkle on some granola. Granola adds a satisfying crunch and is a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion. But hold on, don't go overboard. Granola can be high in sugar and calories, so a light sprinkle will do. A light sprinkle will do. We don't want to ruin all our hard work. Just enough to add that perfect crunch without overloading on sugar. Finally, for a touch of sweetness, drizzle on a bit of honey. Honey is a natural sweetener and has antibacterial properties. Just a drizzle, mind you, not a bloody waterfall. Too much honey can add unnecessary sugar to your meal. There you have it, a breakfast bowl that's as delicious as it is nutritious. This bowl is a perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and natural sweetness. It'll keep you full and energized for hours, not like those sugary cereals that leave you crashing before lunchtime. This breakfast will sustain you and keep your energy levels stable. This breakfast bowl is like starting your day with a hug in a bowl. It's comforting, satisfying, and exactly what you need to fuel your morning. What's your go-to breakfast that fuels your day? Let me know in the comments. Share your favorite recipes and tips for a healthy start to the day. Lunchtime, and I bet you're already reaching for that greasy burger and fries, aren't you? Put that down. It's time to make a healthier choice that will keep you energized and satisfied throughout the day. We're having an energizing lunch wrap that'll leave you satisfied without the guilt trip. This wrap is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep you going strong. First, grab yourself a whole grain wrap. None of that white bread rubbish. We need the fiber to keep us full and focused. Whole grains are a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provide a steady release of energy. Now, for the star of the show, protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it helps keep you feeling full longer. I'm going for some grilled chicken breast, sliced nice and thin. Grilled chicken is a lean source of protein that's low in fat but high in flavor. You could also use fish or tofu if you prefer. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health, while tofu is a fantastic plant-based protein option. Next, we need some veggies for crunch and nutrients. Vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for overall health. I'm using fresh spinach leaves, but feel free to get creative with your favorites. You could add bell peppers, cucumbers, or even shredded carrots for extra color and crunch. Now, for a bit of healthy fat and creaminess, I'm adding some slices of avocado. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are good for your heart and help keep you full. But don't go overboard, a few slices will do. Avocado also adds a lovely creamy texture that complements the other ingredients perfectly. Finally, for a flavor explosion, spread on a touch of hummus. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are a great source of protein and fiber. It adds a delicious earthiness that you won't be able to resist. Plus, it's a healthier alternative to mayonnaise or other high-fat spreads. There you have it, a lunch wrap that's packed with lean protein, healthy fats and fiber. This wrap is not only nutritious but also incredibly tasty and satisfying. It's quick, easy and way better than that fast food you were considering. Making your own lunch wrap allows you to control the ingredients and ensure you're eating something wholesome. The best part? You can make it the night before and take it on the go. It's perfect for busy days when you need a nutritious meal but don't have time to cook. No more excuses for unhealthy choices. With this energizing lunch wrap, you can enjoy a delicious meal that supports your health and well-being. What's one ingredient you'd love to add to your wrap? Drop your suggestions below. Let's share ideas and inspire each other to create even more delicious and healthy wraps. Chapter 3. Quick and healthy snack. Afternoon slump got you reaching for the cookie jar? Put it down. We're having a quick and healthy snack that'll satisfy your cravings without derailing your progress. Forget those processed, sugary snacks that leave you feeling sluggish. We're going for something natural, something that'll give you sustained energy. Grab yourself an apple. Yes, a simple, humble apple. It's packed with natural sweetness and fiber to keep you feeling full. Now, for a protein and healthy fat boost, we're adding some almond butter, but not just any almond butter. Make sure it's the natural kind, with no added sugar or oils. Slice up your apple and scoop a dollop of almond butter onto each slice. It's like a mini apple pie without the guilt. This snack is perfect for curbing those afternoon cravings, and it's so satisfying you won't even think about the vending machine. Remember, healthy snacking is all about making smart choices. What's your favorite healthy snack? Share it in the comments. We might just try it in our next video. Chapter 4. Flavorful dinner option. Dinner time, and you're probably exhausted after a long day. Whether you've been at the office, running errands, or just dealing with the daily grind, the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen, but that's no excuse for ordering takeout. Sure, it might seem convenient, but it often comes with hidden calories, unhealthy fats, and a hefty price tag. Instead, we're having a flavorful dinner option that's quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. You don't need to be a gourmet chef to whip up something delicious and healthy. Tonight, we're ditching the processed junk and embracing whole foods. Fresh ingredients not only taste better, but are also better for your body. We're talking about a meal that's bursting with flavor and good for you. Imagine vibrant colors, tantalizing aromas, and a taste that will make your taste buds dance. First up, the star of the show, grilled salmon. This fish is not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. Salmon is a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with omega-3 fatty acids that are great for your heart and brain. It's also rich in high-quality protein, vitamins and minerals. Next, we need some veggies to round out the meal. Vegetables are essential for a balanced diet, providing fiber, vitamins and minerals. I'm going for roasted vegetables, broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, whatever takes your fancy. Roasting is a fantastic way to cook vegetables because it enhances their natural flavors. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness and makes them irresistibly delicious. Plus, it's a simple method that requires minimal effort. Finally, for a healthy carb that won't weigh you down, we're having quinoa. This ancient grain is a nutritional powerhouse. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, and it's also a good source of fiber. It's perfect for keeping you full and satisfied. Season your salmon and veggies with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil, then pop them in the oven to roast. The olive oil adds a touch of healthy fat and enhances the flavors. While they're cooking, prepare your quinoa according to package directions. It's as simple as boiling water and letting it simmer. This meal is so tasty, you might even forget it's healthy. The combination of flavors and textures will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. Plus, it's quick to prepare and perfect for those busy evenings. In less than 30 minutes, you can have a wholesome dinner on the table. What's one veggie you can't live without? Is it the crunchy carrots, the vibrant bell peppers, or perhaps the nutrient-dense broccoli? Let me know below. Your answer might surprise me. Sharing your favorites can inspire others to try new things and add variety to their meals. So gather your loved ones, set the table, and enjoy this delightful, nutritious meal together. Cooking at home can be a joyful experience, bringing people closer and creating lasting memories. And don't forget, cleaning up is part of the process. A tidy kitchen makes the next cooking adventure even more enjoyable. Happy cooking! Chapter 5. Sweet but healthy dessert. Just because we're eating healthy doesn't mean we have to deprive ourselves of dessert, does it? Tonight, we're having a sweet but healthy dessert that'll satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. Forget those sugary treats that leave you feeling sluggish and bloated. We're going for something light, refreshing and good for you. Grab yourself a bowl and fill it with a colourful assortment of mixed berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, whatever you fancy. Berries are naturally sweet and packed with antioxidants. Now, for a touch of indulgence, we're adding a dollop of whipped coconut cream. Coconut cream is a delicious and healthy alternative to dairy-based whipped cream, and it adds a lovely richness to our dessert. This dessert is proof that eating healthy doesn't mean giving up the sweet things in life. It's like treating yourself without the regret. What's your favourite healthy dessert? Share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to try them. Outro: crush your fitness goals. One meal at a time. Now listen up. You've got the tools, you've got the recipes, there's no excuse for failure. What are your top 3 fitness goals? Share them in the comments and let's inspire each other to stay on track. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more videos like this one. From fitness tips to more healthy meal ideas, we've got everything you need to crush your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, please click the links below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Looking to dive deeper into your wellness journey? Check out our curated playlist for more valuable tips and insights. Click the link below to watch more videos and stay on track with Pure Health Journey. Your support means the world and helps us keep creating the content you love. Thanks and see you in the next video.